Have you ever felt confused about where to put your money first? You might want to invest, but you also have some credit card debt. Or you want to buy stocks, but you don't have any savings for emergencies. It feels like you're being pulled in different directions. If you're a beginner trying to build wealth, knowing the right order for your money is one of the most important lessons you can learn. Getting this sequence wrong can cost you thousands. Getting it right builds a rock-solid foundation. Welcome to Invest Easy 101. My goal is to help you understand the simple, logical steps to managing your money. Today, we're talking about the optimal investment order, a clear sequence that maximizes your safety and growth while minimizing costly mistakes. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about building lasting financial security, one smart step at a time. Let's start with a surprising fact. Recent studies show many people have very little saved for emergencies, sometimes less than $500. At the same time, they're asking about buying individual stocks or crypto. This is like trying to build the roof of a house before you've poured the foundation. The order in which you handle your money matters immensely. There is a tried and true sequence that protects you from risk, saves you money on taxes and interest, and puts your investments in the best position to grow. We're going to walk through that exact order today, step by step. Before we get to the first step, let's understand why the order is so crucial. Imagine two people with the same income. One pays off high-interest debt before investing. The other invests while carrying that debt. The first person will build wealth faster. Why? Because they aren't losing money to enormous interest payments that eat away at their investment gains. Following the correct sequence is about being efficient with every dollar you have. Step 1. Build a starter emergency fund. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a basic safety net. This is your emergency fund. Its purpose is simple: to cover unexpected expenses without forcing you to sell investments at a bad time or go into debt. Start with a small, achievable goal. Aim to save $1,000 as quickly as you can. This buffer can handle most small emergencies, a car repair, a doctor's visit, and provides huge mental relief. Step 2. Pay off high-interest debt. Once you have that starter fund, focus all extra money on high-interest debt. This means any debt with an interest rate above 8 to 10%, like credit card balances. Here's the simple math. Paying off a debt with a 22% interest rate gives you a guaranteed 22% return on your money. You cannot reliably earn that in the stock market. Eliminating this debt stops the financial bleeding and is your most powerful investment at this stage. There is one crucial exception to step 2. If your job offers a retirement plan like a 401k with a company match, contribute enough to get the full match before finishing your debt payoff. Why? A company match is free money and an instant 100% return on your contribution. Not taking it is like refusing a pay raise. Contribute only what's needed to get the full match, then put every other dollar back toward your high-interest debt. Step 3. Build a full emergency fund. After your high-interest debt is gone, return to your emergency fund. Build it up to cover 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This is your complete financial shock absorber. The exact amount depends on your job security and life situation. This fund isn't for investing, it's for sleeping well at night, knowing you can handle a job loss or major repair without crisis. Step 4. Max out your IRA. With your debt cleared and emergency fund complete, you now focus fully on investing for the future. The next best account for most people is an individual retirement account, IRA. You can open one yourself at a low-cost brokerage. An IRA is a powerful tool because it offers tax advantages and you control the investments. You can choose low-cost index funds or ETFs, which are simple, diversified investments perfect for beginners. For 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 to an IRA, $8,000 if you're 50 or older. Why choose an IRA before putting more into your work 401k? Often, IRAs offer more investment choices and lower fees than employer plans, letting you keep more of your money growing. This step is about maximizing control and minimizing costs as you build your retirement savings. Step 5. Max out your health savings account, HSA. If you have a high-deductible health plan, you likely qualify for an HSA. This is arguably the best tax-advantaged account available. It offers a triple tax benefit. 1. Contributions are tax-deductible. 2. Growth is tax-free. And 3. Withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. If possible, pay current medical costs out of pocket and let your HSA money grow invested for the future. It becomes a powerful tax-free fund for healthcare in retirement. Step 6. Max out your 401k. Now, go back to your employer's retirement plan. If you still have money to invest after funding your IRA and HSA, increase your 401k contributions to the annual limit. For 2025, that's $23,500, $31,000 if 50 plus. This further shelters your income from taxes and allows for more tax-deferred growth. You've already gotten the employer match, now you're maximizing the account's capacity. Step 7. Invest in a taxable brokerage account. Only after you have fully utilized all the previous tax-advantaged steps should you invest through a regular taxable brokerage account. This account has no special tax benefits. You may owe taxes on dividends and capital gains each year. However, it offers complete flexibility, no contribution limits, and no rules on when you can withdraw your money. It's perfect for goals before retirement, like saving for a house, or for any money you've managed to save beyond the other account limits. This whole sequence is designed for tax efficiency and cost savings. Money in retirement accounts, IRA, 401k, HSA, grows either tax-deferred or tax-free. This means the IRS doesn't take a cut every year, so your money compounds faster. By filling these buckets first, you keep more of your returns. A taxable account is less efficient, which is why it comes last in the optimal order. For IRAs and 401ks, you'll often have a choice: Roth, pay taxes now, withdraw tax-free later, or traditional, get a tax deduction now, pay taxes later. A simple rule for beginners: if you're in a low tax bracket now, lean toward Roth. You'll pay taxes at today's low rate. If you're in a high bracket now, traditional might be better. If you're unsure, splitting contributions between both is a perfectly fine strategy. Let's recap the order clearly. 1. Starter emergency fund, $1,000. 2. Pay off high-interest debt, greater than 8% interest. 3. Get your full employer 401k match. 4. Build a full emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. 5. Max out your IRA. 6. Max out your HSA if eligible. 7. Max out your 401k. 8. Invest in a taxable brokerage account. Following this order does two crucial things. First, it protects you. The emergency fund and debt payoff shield you from financial disasters that could wipe out your progress. Second, it optimizes growth. By prioritizing accounts with tax benefits and employer matches, you ensure every dollar is working as hard as possible for you. This path isn't about excitement, it's about effectiveness. You might see people making risky bets in the stock market, but true wealth is most often built quietly through consistent, disciplined steps in the right order. It's the unsexy foundation that makes the dream of financial security possible. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself. If you can only do step 1 right now, that's a fantastic start. The key is to follow the sequence as your ability to save and invest grows. You're building a system, not just chasing a single hot investment. Thank you for watching Invest Easy 101. If this clear, step-by-step guide helped simplify your financial plan, please subscribe. We're here to make investing easy for beginners. Let us know in the comments which step you're currently working on.